I just love this style. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Kimberly. I actually just finished wrapping up a video for you guys, and I figured, you know what? Why not show you guys how I get these cute and fun heatless curls. So that is what I'm gonna be doing, a demo for you guys on how I get this look. It's super easy, and what's really great about it is that you can do it on dirty hair, because if you guys can't tell, you probably can't tell, but my hair is actually pretty dirty right now. And this is a style that I kind of go to when my hair is dirty. It's kind of reverting a little bit. So if you're excited, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. As always, subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. So for this hairstyle, you're gonna need a few things, not too much, because it's actually very, very simple. You're gonna need some bobby pins and a scarf, your satin scarf. That is literally it. I will just say that before I do this style, I actually do a very heavy moisture and seal regimen. I actually really heavily doused my hair in my moisturizer, which you guys know is the Elastic QP Mango Butter Moisturizer that I always use. I always seal with coconut oil. So that is what I did to just moisturize my hair. And I actually find that it works out better this way, because when your hair is just weighed down a little bit more, it holds the curls longer. So that's just a little, tip for you guys. I'm gonna take a section about this size, this front section. I'm gonna do a light detangle, either finger detangle, or I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just lightly detangle that section. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my two fingers. I like to use my index and my middle finger. I just find that pin curling this way is the easiest for me. And I will wrap my hair around my two fingers. Now I usually start kind of like midway in the section. And then I will just take my hair and wrap it around my fingers, just like that. Then I'm gonna remove my fingers from my hair gently, so that I'm left with kind of just like a circle, a pin curl. And then I just kind of make sure to tuck that end in and wrap it up until you've got a pin curl against your head. And I just bobby pin it into place. And I don't usually have to worry about bends and stuff like that, because we're using pretty large sections. So you're not really gonna get those like bobby pin bends that you would get if you were using smaller sections. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna make sure to leave a section for the back. Either finger detangle or use your wide tooth comb. Take your section, wrap it around, remove your fingers, and roll up. Some of the larger sections are going to require more bobby pins to pin, so just have your bobby pins on deck. And then I move on to the other side and just do the same exact thing. Now, I will say that one thing that you want to do is that you want your curls to go away from your face. So you want to make sure that you're not pinning forward. Does that make sense? So if you don't want to roll up so that you're rolling up like this, you want to roll up backwards. So you're not going to be rolling frontwards. You're going to be rolling backwards. Okay? And then you're gonna just pin that in place. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this last section here. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Just lightly detangle that section. left with something that looks like this. Okay, so now we're going to use our scarf because as you guys know, I am several weeks post-relaxer. I think I'm at 18 or 19 weeks post-relaxer, which is a lot longer than I normally go. So I am going to take my scarf and just fold that into a triangle like this and cover my head and tie it so that I can kind of lay that new growth down, because my new growth right now is very puffy. So normally I would wait overnight, but for purposes of this video, I'm gonna just take this down now so that I can show you how I would take this down in the morning. So obviously I would take off my scarf and I'm going to undo all of my pin curls at this point. I'm telling you guys, it's literally like a 5-minute. It's 5 minutes at night to prep, and then it's 5 minutes in the morning to take down. It's literally the easiest style, but it gives you, it's just a more interesting look than straight hair, which is why I like it. So we're just gonna take down the bobby pins, take down our little curls, and obviously this would have a much longer time to set, so the curls would be a little bit tighter than they are now. I don't use any sort of mousse or anything. Literally, like I said, I moisturize and seal, and that moisture in my hair is kind of really just what binds the style together, and I don't need to use any sort of like holding spray or hairspray or anything like that. If you feel my hair feels very, very moisturized to the touch. But the benefit is that it holds the curls for longer. So that's what I love about it. So now at this point, I'm just going to just kind of scratch at my scalp. I'm not really scratching, but just kind of doing a motion like that just to get some extra body at the roots. And then I will lightly kind of go in a motion like this just to undo some of these curls, loosen them up a little bit so they're not so, so that it just looks more natural. Or sometimes, guys, I will just go ahead and flip my hair over or flip my head over and just sort of do the same thing, fluff at the roots and flip my head back just to give me that extra volume that I'm looking for. You feel it out. Do whatever you're comfortable with, but I just love volume, so those are some of the things that I'll do to lift my hair at the roots. And I'll fluff like this. And you see just how much body it gives? I mean, I don't think there's anything that I can do about this new growth that I have going on, because regardless, my hair is just my new growth grows out like that. Like I said, you guys, like I have 4C hair, so it's not like I got these cute curls or whatever. No, like my hair stands up like an afro. So that's just gonna happen no matter what. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is what I do when I have dirty hair, when my hair is reverting a little bit, meaning that, I've done some sort of straight style and it's starting to kink up a little bit. So it's perfect during that time, because then, like I said, it'll hold the curl for longer. If you're looking for a little bit of extra sheen, sometimes I will go in with my Design Essentials Silk Essentials that I've showed you guys on several videos, or I will go in with my ORS Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray. But again, because my hair is so moisturized at this time, I really don't need to do that. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. It's super simple, but it just adds a nice little touch, some body and flavor to your hairstyle. So if you guys like this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel, it helps me reach more people. And until next time, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.